Hey everybody, it's me, Chauncey.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey Miles, how are you doing today?
Good.
And what are we learning about today, Miles? Whoa, what's that?
ABC.
The ABCs? Wow! How many of you kids know your ABCs? Shout it out, tell us. Do you think a lot of kids know their ABCs? Wow, the ABCs, what do they do?
Spell.
They spell? That's right! The ABCs help us read!
Reading is a fun activity that can take you to faraway places and teach you things that you never knew. And reading starts with learning the ABCs.
What's the first letter of the alphabet, Miles?
A.
A! Whoa! You're right! What starts with A?
Airplane starts with the letter A, so does apple, and so does antlers, like on this deer. How cute.
B.
B is next, you're right! Don't you have a toy that starts with B?
Bulldozer.
Whoa! A bulldozer! That's really cool!
Bulldozer starts with the letter B, and bulldozers are really good at pushing things around.
C.
C! Whoa! What starts with C that you can show me?
Carolina.
A Catboy mask? Can you show me? Whoa! That's cool! How does that work?
It's my Carolina that he called. My Carolina, and we go.
Helps you run around super fast? Whoa! He's running around super fast, just like Catboy! Whoa, that's pretty awesome!
Cat starts with the letter C, and so does crab. Crab. And so does car. This car is cornering a corner super fast. Whoa.
D.
D! Whoa! What starts with the letter D?
Dog starts with the letter D. Can you say dog?
E.
What starts with the letter E? Everything does! Well, not really everything, but the word everything starts with the letter E.
Now, Miles and Chauncey are going to take a look at some other random letters of the alphabet and some words that start with those letters.
There's something that you have with you that starts with the letter S, huh?
Oh.
Do you want to show the kids the thing that you have that starts with the letter S? What's this?
Time.
Slime? Whoa, look at that! Can you take it out and show me? That looks really interesting. Wow, that's really cool. And it starts with the letter S for slime. Yeah. Whoa, look at that slime. Slime starts with the letter S. Wow. That's really neat. Ooh, that's slimy. Your hands are getting slimy and sticky.
I'm a little bit poopy.
It is a little bit goofy. What letter is that?
K.
K. What starts with the letter K, kids? Kids starts with the letter K. Oh, you kids at home are kids with the letter K. Kangaroo starts with K too, don't you think? Yeah.
Kangaroos start with the letter K. They're a type of animal called a marsupial, and they're found in Australia.
J.
J, you're right. J for jelly beans. Woohoo, you like jelly beans? What about you kids? Do you like jelly beans?
Jelly beans start with the letter J. They're quite delicious, but don't eat too many because they can make you sick.
What is that?
B.
P. P is a really cool letter that starts words like porcupine. We learned about porcupines before, huh? What do porcupines do?
Kill by you and don't get caught by a bear.
You're right, they have spikes to protect them from getting chomped by predators.
This is what a porcupine looks like. They can house up to 30,000 quills on their body to protect them from predators. You can learn more in the video link in this description.
Cute.
It's cute!
It has a little puppy dog.
Oh, that's how we can remember that this is Q. Hold it up for the kids so they can see. Yeah, that's Q. And it's got a cute little tail like a puppy dog. Cute Q. How funny. Well, thanks for teaching me the ABCs, Miles. Should we sing the ABCs before we go? And can you kids at home sing them with us? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
I got.
You're gonna show me your other toys?
Mhm.
Okay, give me a hug first, and we'll say goodbye to the kids at home. Oh, Miles, thanks so much for showing me the ABCs, and thank you, kids, for watching Kit Explores and learning all about the alphabet. And parents, you can subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram or Twitter at Kit Explores.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you later, Miles. Let's go look at your toys now. What's that?
A lot.
A sloth?
Mhm.
Oh, that's really cool. How does it work?
He reads.
That's really